23 games unbeaten in Europe at the Etihad, gone. Just like that. Grimaldo bends one in, Schick finishes us off, and suddenly Man City looked like they forgot how to play football. Where was the urgency? Where was the pass? Why did we wait until we were already drowning to bring on Foden, Haaland, and Doku? Leverkusen didn't even need luck. They just played simple, brave, confident football, while City moved like they were buffering on a dial-up internet. We kept possession for nothing. We passed sideways like it was a training session. No cutting edge, zero bite. We're at home in the Champions League. This isn't a wake-up call. This is a fire alarm. We need a response and we need it now.